In the last video, I was setting up the Fujifilm X100F for 2026, and I got stuck because I thought that it would be simple to pick a black and white sim, and it ended up turning into way more options than I expected. So I thought that a good way to test it out would be to come outside and actually test it out, even though it is freezing out here. I've been apprehensive about shooting black and white on digital, so today I'm out here challenging myself and testing out Monochrome, which is the black and white profile or the black and white sim on Fujifilm cameras. We're in Andersonville, a neighborhood that's basically built on color, and we're going to capture it in black and white just to see how this monochrome profile renders. For today's black and white sim, I'm going with the monochrome standard, and all the settings are linked in the description. And I'm doing this now because I realize I put myself in a box when I shoot digital, but when I shoot black and white film, I'm more experimental. With digital, I associate it with perfection, so I treat it as though it has to be perfect. And honestly, that kills the fun, because I've noticed I have way more fun when I shoot film, and I want to translate that feeling into my digital photography. So today is a little shift where there's no new cameras, no new place, just a new film sim, monochrome, in a neighborhood that I visit often, and let's see what we can capture.